Hey everyone, it's Christy with Anchor Life 5. Thanks for stopping by and joining me for a few minutes today. I have an updated craft room tour for you. I have completely kind of switched everything around and I wanted to share with you how it looks now. So I hope you stay around. Please comment, share, like, and subscribe to all of my social media. And let's go ahead and get this thing started. Okay, we're just going to do a quick little pan around of the room. This is from the door, and we'll just go around a little bit. Now let's get in depth. All right, this is the first little area of my room. There's the door that you walk into. Right on the side right here, we have my planner cart, and I will do an in-depth of the planner cart, but you know, we just have all of my stickers, just everything in there, but I'll do a more in-depth of that later on. This one right here is my planner, journaling, Etsy desk. So right here we have some flowers that I use for Instagram posts. These are just extra stickers that are not Happy Planner, and other supplies inside the drawers are just some more planner stickers that are not Happy Planner. And these drawers down here are my beads and fixings for charms and things like that. So just lots and lots of beads and different things such as that. Down there, all my diamond painting kits, the one with the black top are finished ones, the white ones in the black, or the white top, are things that I still need to do, and those are just all my extra goodies. These are my memory planners that I'm currently working on. This is my pen collection. I got all of these storage bins from Target. They were $3 a piece, and I absolutely love them. So I can separate all of my pen collections into categories, and I will do an in-depth pen collection for y'all too later on. These came from Hobby Lobby right here, and just have some of the pens that I don't display. And there's just some more stuff. And then this over here is my Etsy part of it. So I have my selfie photo printer, my Dymo label maker, and my post office scale. Inside of here is just extra shipping labels and extra photo printers and stuff like, or paper. There is my laptop. And then down in here is everything that I use for shipping for my Etsy store, just supplies and things like that. On top up here, I just have a bunch of decorations on these floating shelves that came from IKEA. Lots of O's for my last name, anchors, Navy stuff, all that good stuff. And then these are some of my favorite journals, traveler's notebooks that I have, some that were made for me, some my leather bound that I really like, some Webster's pages, some Kiki plans. So that is my Etsy planner journaling desk. Then this area right here is my actual crafting workstation. So in this container, this is actually Happy Planner stuff as well. I didn't have room for it on my planner side, so that is all Happy Planner stuff. More pens. This is the top of my desk. Actually on top right here, I got that sign at an antique store and I love it. And then there's just my social media. And then this little saying, life isn't about finding yourself, life is about creating yourself. And I just absolutely love that. So sitting at my desk, that little bucket right there is props and everything for Instagram. And then this little container just has pom-poms and bows and tassels and things to make planner charms and paper clips. All these little pins I made. And in here are just some other decorative pins about crocheting and that kind of stuff. There is an antique hole punch that my husband got me from an antique store. Little doodads. These are some accessories that people have made me and sent me. All this came from Michael's, and I just have my paper clips and my binder clips all organized by color. Then you have your light, and then this little organizer right here came from Tuesday Morning. I just have some notepads that I use, and the little Ray Dunn cup is scissors and tweezers, and just other, you know, essentials that I use all the time. So, and this actually moves and it shrinks and everything, so there's lots of room on there. Then down here under this little riser, these are just pre-made paper clips that I've already made, little note cards. All of those are little flowers and accessories, burlap, bows. These are all sticky notes and page flags. These are pom-pom paper clips that I've already made. Little spoons for sequins, little stickers. Whoops. These are actually paper clips, and just on and on. That's all, you know, just accessories and stuff. And then on the side of my desk right here, I just have some boxes up top. They house some of my die cuts and stamps. I don't really use those a whole lot, so they're kind of up there. A little jewelry holder with some of my chunky charms that are in my shop. My Sizzix Big Kick, like I said, I don't use it a lot. These are all of my diamond dots from projects that I've done. And all that is like 3-ring binder planner stuff for me to use when I make stuff. Then this little box came from an antique shop, and I just have Project Life and journaling cards in there. Same as here, more Project Life and journaling cards. And here are just stickers and Traveler's Notebook, inserts and things like that. Some Webster Pages notebooks. Down here are glitter pages and felt pages and things for my fuse tool and things like that. And then over here, I'm a huge collector of journals and notebooks. So these are all just journals and notebooks that I have collected and I write in, and then I just like to look at them. And then on the side right here, I have my laminator. And in those 2 boxes just have laminating sheets. And then in this one, this Alex drawer, I have my elastics. And then these are all pens that I use for my Traveler's Notebooks. These are all inserts for my Traveler's Notebooks. And ephemera, stickers, adhesive pockets, things like that. And down here is all sequins. Then moving on, over here are pictures that I did in a online Zoom acrylic painting class. My daughter is actually an artist, and she was teaching the class, and those are pictures that I did. They do not look near as good as hers, but I was very proud of myself because I am not an artist, so I displayed them up there. So up here on the top are Traveler's Notebooks and planners that are in my Etsy shop right now. Same with these. These are all ones that are in my shop. These are all happy notes. So you've got your minis, your skinnies, and these are all classics. Most of them are happy notes. Some of them are planners and guided journals. These right here are ones that are outdated that I got on clearance, or these are like the big notes. There's some more skinnies. There's some micros, some more minis right here. These are traveler's notebooks that I have started on, or that I have finished, or that I have made. Here is a big memory planner that I've already done, and another, this is a work planner from last year that I've finished. This little mug right here is from the Happy Planner in one of their Be Happy boxes. And then in here are just some of my pens, like my jewel pens, and just really pretty ones that some Ray Dunn and other ones like that I don't really use, but they're just pretty and I want to keep them there. On this next shelf are some more traveler's notebooks and journals and planners, because I have a problem. So we've got lots of Webster pages, lots of recollections, lots of ones from Hobby Lobby. There's a few right there that I haven't even put up from the Happy Planner. Those are some Webster pages scrapbooks that I haven't put away yet. On the bottom, that is Etsy orders that are finished, my washi tape, and then just some more journals and stuff that I need to put away. And then over here are just some more little jars with some more pens. My daughter got me that one. My friend Sparkling Char sent me that one, another little Ray Dunn in this little container. In here are just cardstock, white cardstock, and then I think there's some colored cardstock. This is actually a photography picture that my daughter had made for her senior thesis at school last year, and it is my favorite print of hers, so I like to keep it right there until I get it framed. In this Alex drawer, we just have, this is just like extra stuff. All of my punches right there. This has some glitters and some glues and things like that. Pom-poms, 6-ring binders, and some sticky notes. And then this is the last area on the last wall. All the furniture in here did come from IKEA. I know a lot of people have white furniture for their craft room. I have black furniture. That's just more my style. So that's why everything is black in here. But I am a huge Pittsburgh Steelers fan, so I have all my little Pittsburgh stuff up there. I do collect little mini erasers, so that is what is in those containers up there. Papers, paper collections, a little saying that I got in New Orleans. Those are more paper collections. Really, this whole thing is just paper and ephemera. My heat press, that is all of my Christmas stuff that I have gotten out. And then over here is my Cricut station. Everything in there is stuff that I can use for my Cricut machine, or extra notebooks and things like that for my my Etsy shop. So that is my room, guys. I sure appreciate y'all stopping by. If you would like to see in depth of anything that I showed you, I'd be happy to do that. I will do more in depth of my pens and my Happy Planner stuff. So once again, thanks for stopping by. Christy with Anchor Life 5, and I'll talk to you later. Bye, guys.